Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Welcome to my channel. I am here today to show you my second project in the hashtag Let's Go Steampunk collaboration by Sherls Crafts. The first one, my first prompt that I followed was a top hat topper. And you can look back if you didn't see my video showing off my project for that. I'm going to show you a quick part of it today as I show you what I'm adding to it. This is a collaboration for digital kits from Sherls Crafts. The link to the collaboration will be in the description. Her digital kits are on sale until 1 week after the collaboration ends. I believe the collaboration ends tomorrow. The other crafters involved, we are called Masterful Tinkerers, will be listed in the Linktree in the description of this video. Please take a look, go watch some of their videos, follow them, like them, subscribe to them, all of that fun stuff. If you leave a comment on every video in the Let's Go Steampunk collaboration and subscribe to each channel, you will have a chance to win one of over 30 fantastic prizes from Sherls. She will be picking and announcing the lucky winners 2 weeks after the collaboration wraps up. I encourage you to share your own creations inspired by the collaboration using hashtag Let's Go Steampunk. Again, my name is Kathy Lee. All of my links and stuff will also be in the description of the video. Now set that aside. This is a Let's Go Steampunk collaboration. If you pop that into the search bar on YouTube, it'll take you to a list of all the videos of all the other Masterful Tinkerers. Okay, the first prompt I did, if you remember, was top hat topper. And so that inspired me to make this topper, a card topper, this little duty here. And what I did is I used that as the focal point for the cover of my little steampunkish top hat flip book. The second prompt I had was lever and laces, or laces and levers. I will tell you, I had no idea what I was going to do with that because I love lace. Levers? I know it's a steampunk term. I know what levers are, but how to make that into a craft project was a little bit harder. So this is what I came up with. This is a tag that I'm going to add into the album. There's the back of it. There's the front of it. Now here's the lever bit on this. If you twist this, holding the bottom, there's my lever. Does that make sense? Is that a lever? I sure hope it is, because that's what I think one lever would do. I was going to try to do a lever that would push something out of the card, but I wasn't sure how to do that. So in there is just one of the journaling cards tucked in, again with Sherls' beautiful digital images. I don't remember exactly how many images, how many pages this collection had. I think it was in the 70s, maybe even in the 80s. I used just a portion of them. You can see how beautiful those images are. So that is my first tag for the levers and lace prompt. My next one is here. I use some of the little metallic gears. There's the back of it. Here's some fun lace I had in my collection. I did a little page tab thing on this. And ready to see the lever? I bet you can guess what piece moves. So if you take this, this opens up like that. So you can reach in and get the little journaling card out. So that is my second little lever. I'll set that down here, put that back in, move my little lever back. These are actually kind of fun to make. So even though I was challenged by the subject or by the prompt, it still worked out well. Okay, here's the last one. This has one of her beautiful steampunk hot air balloons. I did little gears again. I did lace. I added a flower. There's the back of it. It's pretty simple. Now here is, you wouldn't really call this a lever. This is actually a slide. You pull this up and the balloon goes up. I thought that was kind of fun. So there are my three. Again, look at how beautiful those things are. I love this collection. I will probably do more with this collection. It has some great background pieces and stuff. Even if I'm not doing a steampunk project, the colors are fabulous. So those are my 3 tags that I made following the prompt, levers and lace. And I'm going to add those in to this. Don't know quite where. Maybe I'll put one on this page and get it open, that is. So I'm going to put this one right here. I didn't make these holes as big. I might have to make them bigger. Close that back up. Go a couple more pages. Maybe put this other one. Right here. This one's a challenge because I didn't put another hole in, so this might not work very well because my hole is actually behind my lever. So I don't think I'm going to be able to make that work. So I will put another punch somewhere on here. In fact, I'll do it right now. I'm just going to add a punch somewhere other than right in the center where my I'll just try it. I don't want it to interfere with the mechanism, so I guess I'll just put it. This is not going to be the way I want it. I can't interfere with the mechanism. I guess I'll have to put it right here. I can change it later. I wish I'd been thinking. It's not going to hang right. And that's the little punch. I wanted the big punch. I wanted the, it's not going to hang right, but I'm going with it. I can fix it another time. I actually was supposed to post this, my video for this prompt. I was supposed to post on June 3rd, and I did not because somehow I didn't write that one down. Now, many of you know I am a planner coach, and I tell people all about how they can stay organized and keep track of things. But even though I teach other people how to do it, sometimes I forget to write something down. So in this case, what can I say? I forgot. So the other lesson in that is, as soon as you know you need to do something, you should write it in your planner. So there is my final project, maybe. I might keep tinkering with this. I will bring it up a little bit more again, sorry. There's my final project for the Let's Go Steampunk collaboration. I'll just do a quick flip through again of all the little things. This was a lot of fun. I thank Cheryl for inviting me to be a member of the team to do this. It was a challenge. It was fun. It stretched my imagination a little bit, but I still think those are fun. I'm going to start adding those to more projects. It was really fun, and I went to a retreat last weekend and worked on some of the stuff, and everybody just loves these colors and images, and I do too. So I hope to have the chance to use more of Cheryl's images, even if I'm not in a collab. I would love to get some and use them as a member of the collaboration. I was giving the kit, the digital kit for these for free, but I would definitely actually spend money and buy her artwork because it's gorgeous. So that is my final, and thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe and go check out all the other Masterful Tinkerers projects, and thanks again to Cheryl for providing such a fun collaboration. Have a great day. Happy crafting.